Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm back in Atlantic City, not on the boardwalk, however. I'm closer to the marina, kind of like Midway. You know where I am. I'm at the Borgata Hotel and Casino today. It's been a while since I visited the Borgata, and I am also going to do a room tour near the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. You're getting the whole full Monty today here at the Borgata, except for the pool. Not visiting the pool today, but there's plenty of Borgata and Water Club pool videos here on the New York channel if you want to check those out. So other than the pools, we're going to check out this entire joint, everything it has to offer. So grab a martini, come and take a walk with me. Let's check out the Borgata Hotel and Casino today, shall we? The Borgata AC or Borgata Atlantic City, the only MGM property in town here in Atlantic City, and MGM always takes care of me. I really appreciate that. But I've been spending a lot of time on the boardwalk lately, especially at the Hard Rock and Bally's and Ocean. They're also taking care of me, so I appreciate all of that. But it's been a while since I've been here at the Borgata. Wanted to return, see what's going on. Again, there's going to be a room tour here near the end of the video. But before that, we're just going to walk around a little bit and check out the joint and see what's going on right now today. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Taking inspiration from the traditional casual pubs of Japan, known as izakayas, Chef Michael Schulzen gives diners the chance to experience a taste of the Far East without having to venture far from the casino floor. Izakaya offers many incredible options, including sushi rolls and signature sashimi crafted from the freshest ingredients. Izakaya is the premier Japanese restaurant destination in Atlantic City. And here we have a classic steakhouse, the Old Homestead, a New York City institution which is one of the country's oldest steakhouses and is known for serving the finest steaks in the Big Apple for nearly 150 years. Their second location is here in Atlantic City at the Borgata. This is the Gypsy Bar, an eclectic tequila bar where you can find live music and a large array of tequila. This is the Metropolitan, which elevates casual dining at the Borgata, meaning you don't have to sacrifice flavor for convenience. Combining contemporary and classic American dishes, including breakfast staples, specialty salads, sandwiches, and burgers, and Metro favorites, the Metropolitan has something for everyone no matter what the budget. I had a great gourmet grilled cheese, french fries, and soup here. Check out that video on the New York channel. Noodles of the World, or Now, is a popular spot to indulge in a feast from the Far East from noon through late night here at the Borgata. Whether it's Thai, Japanese, Chinese, or Korean food you crave, Now can satisfy your hunger for delicious Asian cuisine. And here we have the buffet at the Borgata, one of only 2 buffets being offered here in Atlantic City at hotels and casinos, the other one being at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino on the boardwalk. I've been to both several times. Those videos are available here on the New York channel. This is the Borgata Showroom, and they get lots of A-list acts here at the Borgata. This is Angeline by Michael Simon. I did a video here not too long ago. Angeline is James Beard's award-winning chef Michael Simon's ode to classic Italian food. B Prime Rib Steakhouse, B I guess for Borgata, just replaced Bobby Flay's Steakhouse here at the Borgata. It's a modern and chic alternative to the classic steakhouse. It just opened up last week. I'm going to check it out shortly, so stay tuned here. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. This is the Borgata's sports and race book area. There's actually 2 areas here. They are both pretty large, wonderful screens, and fantastic food. If you're looking to catch a game and catch a bite at the same time, Borgata is a pretty good place to check those both out. We're heading down to the marketplace now, kind of like the food court here at the Borgata. Lots of choices down here as well, so let's check it out and see what's going on downstairs. Back upstairs, this is the Borgata Poker Room. And don't forget, coming up at the end of this video, a room tour here at the Borgata. This is Borgata's American Bar and Grill, which mixes modern and classic recipes while paying homage to the special flavors of the Northeast. New Jersey's famous tomatoes, corn, and local selection of fresh seafood are found in several of the menu's items influenced by the Garden State. This is the living room. You only have access to the living room if you have a key to a hotel room here at the Borgata, and the living room is located right before the elevator banks. Security is there to check for keys. We're going to head upstairs now to the room to give you a little tour of the room that I'm staying in tonight. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.